Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra Qadeer with another series of 30 days of speaking course only on YouTube Live by Miss Bushra Qadeer. Let's get started today's lesson. So today's lesson will be very interesting and I hope that all of these lessons from lesson number 1 up till now are very useful and productive for the betterment of my smart learners. Let's dive into today's lesson. So, students, in today's class, we are going to explore some of the regular English versus IELTS English, or you can call it advanced English. So, we are going to dive into some of the words that can enhance your speaking English, vocabulary learning, and also it can add value to your daily life sentences. In today's lesson, I would suggest all of you to take out some paper or notebook where you can write down, note all of these words because the interesting part is yet to come. The interesting part is that you all are supposed to create sentences, at least 5 out of these words which I'm going to teach you in today's lesson. Also, not only sentences, you are going to write any synonyms. What is synonyms? Synonyms are the similar words. That is the similar with the same word. For example, cute, pretty, right? They both are similar. There is no difference in that. So you are supposed to choose 5 sentences and 5 synonyms with the similar words that are mentioned in this lesson. Impress with formal and advanced vocabulary. So the issue is solved now. So let's get start these words. Start, initiate, go on, continue, show, exhibit, speed up, accelerate, finish, finalize, break, disrupt, think of, devise. These are some of the words that can add the formal English to the advanced. Now, students, we are required to create sentences in the chat box in the comment section where you have to also mention the synonyms of your selected words. This is the task that you have to do in today's lesson. Likewise, if any of my student is going to select 5 words at their own choice, which is new for them, they are going to create simple sentences. Also, you have to choose any synonym of that. So let's start with other words. Let me tell you before I move with the reading of other word, I'm going to start shadow reading practice. Shadow reading is a part of English speaking that adds value to your speaking and daily communication. After receiving a lot of feedback from my students that how to improve your English while speaking in day-to-day life conversation, so I am thinking to share some tips tricks with all of you. So for that you have to stay connected and subscribe to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra for the upcoming series, for the upcoming lessons. Let's grow together, learn together, share the knowledge as much as possible. So students, the next sentence is help. Help is the basic form, the formal one. In the IELTS or in the advanced vocabulary, you can use facilitate. Facilitate. Make is the simple word. You can use manufacture. Use again is the simple one. You can use reuse. Say again, retaliate. Talk, converse or conversation. Begin, commence. Get rid of, eliminate. Think of, devise. So these are some of the small words that usually students ask from me to add the value in their speaking. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Bye bye.